I gave the opening keynote at Discovery Education's DENSI Summer Institute in Chicago, Chi-Town. My speech was a reflective and interactive journey through my work with Discovery over the years. I showcased some of my popular curriculum songs and movement-based lesson plans, getting everyone out of their seats and learning through music and motion. Look, now we're dancing to a song about cell theory. How cool is that? I also included a series of activities that had the audience working together and sharing their ideas, a nice break from just listening to me talk. Throughout, I blended heartfelt and humorous stories about my career and how comedy and AI can be used as coping strategies, and there might have been a few laughs. It was such an honor to kick off an incredible week of learning and connections. Lodge out.